Hi, Gateway Griffins. I hope all of you have enjoyed some coding at code.org. I am so excited to see some of you actually completed the entire course. Great job! Now remember, never give up, especially when the puzzle gets harder. Or if you're scratching your head and didn't know what to do next, you can always join me and other students at our coding lab Monday and Friday. Now, many of you has asked me about events. Is it some place you go to? How do you use it? You say you don't know how it works and you're confused. So, did you know that you are already using an event handler? Every time when you click run, reset, or step. So I'm going to explain events with a very simple game that many of you know, the Flappy Bird. Once you click code.org, you will see your dashboard. Go ahead and scroll down to the list of apps that help you learn coding. Now, if you don't see Flappy Bird here, that's because maybe the full list is not displayed. So go ahead and click View Full List. Now, there's other apps here that can help you learn events. Like if you like Star Wars, go ahead and pick Star Wars. If you like sports, there are a couple of different ones that you can use. Now I'm going to go into Flappy Bird and show you how to use events. Now all these green blocks that you see are events block. So when it tells the user what will happen when they click the mouse or tap the screen, or when the Flappy Bird hit the ground, what is going to happen? When it hit an obstacle, what is going to happen? So all these are different events that could happen when someone is playing your game. Now, as a coder, you then decide what you want it to behave by using the blue block or the purple block. Usually things that are general to the game or what you want the user to see when they first start the games will be under the when run block. So things like setting the scene is a good one. So I'm going to drag it and put it here. So the default looks like it is a city with daylight. So I can always switch the attribute to, if I like water, I'm going to switch it to underwater. We have changed the scene to underwater when the user click run. So let's see what happened. Now before that, I would like to move my screen, change my screen so that it's a little bit bigger. Oh look, it changed to underwater exactly like what I tell it to. So let's start the game by clicking. Oops! Did you see the bird just go all the way down? Even when I try to click it? Well, do you know why? Of course, because we didn't tell you what to do when the click event happened. So now let's make the Flappy Bird flap and play a wing sound when the user clicks the mouse button or tap the screen. Now it works. When you click it, it is actually doing something because we have the block here. Now we haven't decided what to put when it hit the ground, so it just rests on the ground and do nothing. Now notice that the screen is not moving. So this is something that you have to set up with set speed. Okay, you can have it run fast or slow. It just means the screen itself, the background will move fast or slow or normal. But because I have not done anything with the event when hit an obstacle, so nothing's going to happen when I hit an obstacle. On the ground. Experiment with different code blocks. Decide what you want happen when an event occurs. Congratulations! You have just designed your very first game using event-driven programming. Now it's time to share your hard work with your friends and family. Click share. You can type in a phone number and send to the phone, or you can publish it and people will find you on the link above. Scan the QR code if you want. Have fun!